Coco peat is a natural growing medium derived from coconut husks. It is a popular choice for gardeners, horticulturists, and hydroponic growers around the world. Coco peat offers numerous benefits, including excellent water retention, good aeration, and a slightly acidic pH that is ideal for many plants. This versatile growing medium can be used in various applications, from soil amendment to soilless potting mixes. It is a sustainable and eco-friendly alternative to traditional peat moss, which is being depleted at an alarming rate. Coco peat's popularity stems from its ability to create an optimal growing environment for a wide range of plants. Its porous structure allows for excellent drainage while retaining adequate moisture for healthy root development. The air-filled pockets within the coco peat provide essential oxygen to the roots, promoting vigorous growth. Furthermore, coco peat is a renewable resource, making it a responsible choice for environmentally conscious gardeners. The journey of coco peat from coconut husk to a valuable growing medium is a meticulous process that involves several crucial steps. It all begins with the collection of raw coconut husks, which are the fibrous outer layers of coconuts. These husks are a byproduct of the coconut industry and were traditionally considered waste material. However, the discovery of coco peat's exceptional properties has transformed this agricultural residue into a valuable resource. Once the husks are collected, they are transported to processing facilities where they undergo defibering. This process involves separating the long, tough fibers from the shorter, pithy material known as coco pith. The fibers are used in various applications such as rope making and upholstery stuffing, while the coco pith is the raw material for coco peat production. Defibering is typically done using specialized machinery that effectively separates the different components of the coconut husk. After defibering, the coco pith undergoes a thorough washing process to remove impurities such as salts, tannins, and fine dust. Washing is a crucial step in coco peat production as it ensures the final product is free from substances that could hinder plant growth. The washing process typically involves soaking the coco pith in large tanks of water, which helps dissolve and flush away unwanted components. The water used for washing is often tested and treated to maintain optimal pH and salinity levels. This careful monitoring ensures that the coco peat is not exposed to excessive salt concentrations that could later affect plant health. The washing process may involve multiple cycles of soaking and rinsing to achieve the desired level of purity. Once the coco peat has been thoroughly washed, it needs to be dried to a specific moisture content to prevent mold growth and ensure optimal handling and storage. The drying process can be done naturally by spreading the coco peat in the sun or using industrial dryers that expedite the process. Proper drying is crucial to prevent microbial activity that could degrade the quality of the coco peat. Following drying, the coco peat is ready for compression and shaping into various forms depending on the intended use. Common forms include compressed blocks, bricks, and grow bags. Compression helps reduce the volume of the coco peat, making it easier to transport and store. When rehydrated, the compressed coco peat expands significantly, regaining its original structure and porosity.